Hey TechSavvy Indian family, welcome back to another video. Today we are diving into the latest mid-range marvel from Motorola, the Moto G85 5G. We will be exploring its features and performance and we will let you know that it is suitable for you or not to buy. So without any delay, let's get started. The Moto G85 comes packed with some great specs for this price point. Starting with the display, it comes with a 6.67-inch POLED screen with a full HD plus resolution and 120Hz refresh rate. This make it perfect for gaming and multimedia consumption. In terms of design, Motorola G85 5G had some standout features. This phone features a curved display and this is very rare for the mid-range phones. And it has incredibly thin bezels. The back of the phone features a vegan leather finish to uplift the phone experience. In that, the bright green color catches the eye the most. In this phone, you do not get any 3.5mm audio jack, so I think you should go wireless with this phone in terms of the audio. Now let's talk about the performance of this phone. The Motorola G85 5G is powered by Snapdragon 6S Gen 3 processor. It has an octa-core chipset and which is clocked at around 2.3 GHz. This phone comes with Adreno 619 GPU. This should provide a performance boost over its predecessors, the Motorola G84 5G. This phone comes with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage. And this is quite generous for a mid-range smartphone. So now moving on to the cameras of this smartphone. This phone is equipped with a dual camera setup on the back. The primary sensor is a 50 megapixel sensor with optical image stabilization and the secondary camera is a 9 megapixel ultra wide angle lens and also a macro sensor. For selfies, it features a 32 megapixel front camera which is a significant upgrade from the previous models. Now let's talk about the battery of this phone. Battery is another strong point for Motorola G85 5G. It comes with a hefty 5000 mAh battery which should get you through a full day of use. It also supports a 33-watt fast charging, so you can top up your battery whenever you need. Now let's talk about the connectivity and the software of this phone. In terms of connectivity, the Moto G85 5G comes with a dual SIM card slot and you can connect almost any SIM on it and it works on 4G and 5G both. It also features Wi-Fi 802.11, Bluetooth 5.1, NFC and a USB Type-C port. The phone runs on stock Android 14, so you can get a smooth and clean experience. So now let's talk about the price and availability of this phone. As for the price, the Motorola G85 5G is 18,000, making it a competitive option in the mid-range market. So is the Moto G85 5G worth for you to buy it? With its high quality display, powerful performance, solid camera setup and long battery life, it offers a very great value for its price of 17,000. The lack of a headphone jack might be a downside for some, but overall it's a strong contender in the mid-range segment. Thanks for watching TechSavvy Indian family. If you enjoyed watching this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tech videos. And let us know in the comments below what you think about the Moto G85 5G. See you in the next video.